Today we learn how to learn Solidworks. This is the 00 level for beginner. Okay, I already given a link how to install Solidworks 2022. After install the software, then we will get this window: Solidworks compressor, Solidworks electrical, Solidworks visualization. Just we'll click Solidworks 2022, just double click. Yeah, software is installing. Then you will get this window. Yeah, this window will get, just will cancel it and click. Okay, there are file, view, tools and feed. Just we will click this pin, this, and we will get this new. At first we will click this new, and there are three options: part, assembly and drawing. At first we will learn part, then we will learn assembly, then we will learn 2D drawing. This is the part and 3D drawing. Just as a beginner, we will start from this part. Just click this part and click OK. Just click. Okay. There are many toolbar. We will learn about this toolbar step by step. This is the 00 level. Okay, just we will go to this settings. If you don't have this window, just click this pin. Now see, this window is not available. Yeah, just we will click this pin. Now see, it is confirmed. And just go to this settings and click this customize, and we will get this toolbar, shortcut bar, comments, menus, many things. Just we will click this shortcut bar. If you want to know any shortcut bar, there are many shortcut bar. Now see, if you need any shortcut bar, just we will choose this. Suppose I need this ellipse, and just I will click and drag it and keep in this and select this. Now see, this is visual. So now go to this and click OK. Now see, it is visual. If you want to know this remove, just again go to click this and click customize, and just click this shortcut bar, and again just click this and drag in any point. Just click and just click OK. Yes, just again click this and click customize. At first you have to customize. Just click this customized, and there are many options. If you want to know this all option, just will, there are enable comment manager, use large button with this text. Just if you this click Now see, enable comment manager. This is enable. Okay, if you again click this, now see, this is the enable customs. If you want to know userless button with text, just click here. Now see, without text it is showing. If you want to show with text, just click here. Now see, another option, icon size. There are a small size, medium size and big size. You will always keep a small size because a small size is better for this. If you want to change this size, just will click this and click OK. Now see, your size is changed as a medium. Again choose big, will be big. Now choose this, a small size is better. Just click here and I will choose this. Okay, it is fine. Now if you want to know any, this is the toolbar, enable or disable. Just you will see, just there are many toolbar in this window. If you want to show any toolbar in this side or any other side, just will click. Suppose I want to know show this elements, just I will click this. Now show elements toolbar is visual in this side. If I cancel it, just click here. Now see, it is not visual. If you want to this toolbar, if you want to know it is not suitable for this, just will choose this. Just go to downward and click this view heads up. Just click view heads up and now see, it is not visual, it is disabled already. If you want to enable, you will go to this toolbar and drag and choose this view hand off. Just click here. Now see, this is the hand off as a view, and go to here and click OK. Now see, it's enough. If you want to any this toolbar in the top side, if you want to just click this and right click and go to this tabs. If you want to this any tabs, just will click here. Suppose click MBD. Now see, MBD is available. If you want to see, if you want to remove this, just right click and go to tab and click this MBD. Just click. Now see, it is disabled. If you want to disable any this toolbar, just click here, right click and go to this table. Just I want to disable as a Solidworks cam, just click here. Now see, Solidworks cam is not available. Okay, this is the common window. And if you want to change this dimension, this is the dimension unit, just go to here and click this, and there are many millimeter, centimeter, millimeter, gram. Just I will choose millimeter, gram. Millimeter, gram second is better, so I will choose it. If you want to change any measurement unit, if you want to change any unit, you can change. Just I will choose this unit. Okay, now your window is fully ready to sketch. Okay, this is the 0 level. In the next time we will start level 1. Okay, thank you for watching.